forgot your name, don't remember where we met. We met. But what I do recall is the shit you put me through, but not you. Maybe I need some therapy to bring back the sweet.